In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Read Aloud in the ChatGPT iPhone app. If you want to listen to ChatGPT's answers instead of reading them, the Read Aloud feature makes it quick and hands-free. All you need is the ChatGPT app on your iPhone. Make sure it's updated so the interface and icons look the same as what I describe. Start by opening the ChatGPT app on your iPhone. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top left corner and tap the menu icon. It's the button with two horizontal lines. This opens your sidebar, where you can see your recent conversations and responses. From this list, choose the conversation that contains the response you want to hear. Just tap the chat to open it. You'll be taken into the full thread, and you can scroll through the messages to find the specific answer you want ChatGPT to read aloud. If the response is long, take a moment to confirm you're on the exact message you want to listen to, since playback will start from that response. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of that response. Don't stop halfway, go right to the end of the message. At the bottom, you'll see a row of icons with different functions. This is where the audio controls live, alongside other options like sharing or copying. If you don't see the icons yet, keep scrolling until you reach the very end of the text. Tap the Read Aloud icon, which looks like a small speaker. As soon as you tap it, playback will begin, and you'll hear ChatGPT read the response out loud. Make sure your iPhone's volume is turned up so you can hear clearly. This is great for reviewing long answers, learning on the go, or giving your eyes a break. While the response is playing, you're in control. If you want to pause for a moment, maybe to take notes or think something through, tap pause. When you're ready, tap play again to pick up exactly where you left off. If you're finished and don't need to continue, tap stop to end playback. Stopping closes the session, while pausing lets you resume without losing your place. That's all there is to it. Open the app, head to your conversation via the menu, scroll to the bottom of the response, tap the speaker icon to start, and use pause or stop whenever you need. With this feature, listening to ChatGPT's answers becomes simple, flexible, and convenient.